solve for x. X raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s plus 16. I want to find the value of s. From this nice equation, x raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s plus 16. But s raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s plus 16. This equation, we are going to solve it using two methods. Then let's call this method 1. Natural log of s raised to power s is equal to natural log of 4 raised to power s plus 16. Now we have s, natural log of s is equal to s plus 16 natural log of 4. Now we have s, natural log of s is equal to, let's open the bracket, s natural log of 4 plus 16 natural log of 4. Let's bring this s natural log of 4 to this side. We have s natural log of s minus s natural log of 4 is equal to 16 natural log of 4. Now s is common. We have s into natural log of s minus natural log of 4 is equal to 16 natural log of 4. Now, what we have in bracket, we have s into natural log of s over 4 is equal to 16 natural log of 4. Now, if we check this, then we will have s will be equal to x is equal to 16. That is the value of s. So that is 4 times 4, that is 16. That is the value of x. Now, we can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. We have the given equation. S raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s plus 16. At s is equal to 16. Now we have 16 raised to power 16 is equal to 4 raised to power 16 plus 16. Then we have 16 raised to power 16 is equal to the right hand side because 4 raised to power 32. Now let's work with this left hand side. We have 4 square raised to power 16 is equal to 4 raised to power 32. Remember that if you have a raised to power n raised to power m is the same thing as a raised to power n m. Now the left hand side become 4 raised to power 16 times 2, that is 32. It will be equal to 4 raised to power 32. So we satisfy the given equation at s is equal to 16. Now that is the first method. Let's use method number 2. Now we have the given equation. S raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s plus 16. Now we have s raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s multiplied by 4 raised to power 16. Now let's divide both sides by 4 raised to power x. We have s raised to power s over 4 raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to power s multiplied by 4 raised to power 16 over 4 raised to power s. This one will cancel this. Now we have the left hand side s over 4 all raised to power s is equal to 4 raised to the power 16. Let's divide the exponents of both sides by 4. Now we have s over 4 raised to the power s over 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power 16 over 4. Now we have s over 4 raised to the power s over 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power, here is 4 here 1, 4 here 4, that is 4. By comparing, this is equal to this and this one is equal to this. Therefore, s over 4 is equal to 4. Now, let's cross multiply. Now we have s is equal to 4 times 4. Then we have s is equal to 16. That is the final answer for the second method. You can see that the second one is even shorter than the first method, and if you use either the first method or the second method, you are going to get the same answer.